First order linear differential equations. Solve the differential equation 1 plus cosine x y prime is sine x times sine x plus sine x cosine x minus y. So the standard form will be dy over dx plus p of x y equals q of x. So y prime is dy over dx. Then we need to rearrange the terms here so that it will be in the standard form. First, multiply sine x to the quantity sine x plus sine x cosine x minus y, and it will give us sine squared x plus sine squared x cosine x minus y times sine x. So we have plus sine x times y on the left side equals, we will factor out sine squared x. So it's sine squared x times 1 plus cosine x. Then we will divide the whole equation by 1 over 1 plus cosine x. So the first term will cancel out 1 plus cosine x and we're left with dy over dx plus sine x divided by 1 plus cosine x times y equals 1 plus cosine x will cancel out. We'll have sine squared x on the right side of the equation. So our p of x is sine x over 1 plus cosine x. The integral of sine x over 1 plus cosine x dx. So we'll use u substitution here. We'll let u equals cosine x, and that will give us our du to be negative sine x dx. Okay, so our integral of p of x dx is the integral of negative du over u, which is just negative ln of u or ln of u to the negative 1. The integrating factor v equals e to the integral of p of x dx is now equal to e to the ln of u to the negative 1, which is just u to the negative 1. But u is equal to 1 plus cosine x, so our v will now be 1 plus cosine x raised to the power of negative 1. And then we will multiply v to the standard form so that we'll have vy equals integral of v times qx dx. Vy will be 1 plus cosine to the negative 1 times y. The integral of v times q of x dx, where our q of x is sine squared x. So it will now be the integral of 1 plus cosine x to the negative 1 times sine squared dx. So the left side can be written as y over 1 plus cosine x, and the right side will be sine squared x divided by 1 plus cosine dx. I will copy the left side is equal to the integral of the sine squared x is equal to 1 minus cosine squared x over 1 plus cosine x dx. And 1 minus cosine squared x is the sum and difference of two squares, 1 plus cosine x times 1 minus cosine x divided by 1 plus cosine x dx. So the 1 plus cosine x factor will cancel, and then we'll have the integral of 1 minus cosine x, which is x minus sine x plus c. So our final answer is y equals the quantity 1 plus cosine x times the quantity x minus sine x plus c.